Okay, finish is dry. I just use this stuff, Deft semi-gloss wood clear finish. It's just a semi-gloss spray lacquer. It's really, you know, if you want something to pop, you're gonna have to use, you know, possibly a hand rubbed oil situation for maybe the walnut, you know, if you got a big piece, but for the most part I just use that. So, all right, let's bring this baby upstairs and, ooh, come on now, and put it together. This one is a little, typically I have, because all my frames are the same size, I already have like some pre-cut foam board, but I mean, honestly, I just run out and haven't ordered more. This is the way I used to do it before I found a source for, a source that would cut it for me. Just used to buy this foam board in big sheets, and this is kind of the process. I would just mark the edges and cut it with a really sharp box cutter, which you'll see here. Works pretty good. Score that. Drops right in. All right, game time.
Have never been clearer. I see what you're doing to me now. They lie, they steal, they fooled us. Deep down I probably knew this. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. They made us lose our focus. The very same hands that formed us. Go build a better tomorrow. For you, I'd make it a rain.
All right, last pro tip for you here as we finish this collection out. Getting glass like crystal clear has always been a struggle. Doesn't matter where you order glass from. Sometimes it's dirty, sometimes it has like streaks in it and whatnot. 99% isopropyl alcohol is what I use now. I hit it, I wipe it down with a paper towel, and it just comes out like super clean. So, you know, I don't know that you'd want to do that with like your windows at the house, but picture frames and whatnot just works like a charm. All right, just put some caulking in there, the big stretch, and drop the piece in. Let's pop it over and see how it looks in the walnut frame. I'm pretty excited about this one. All right, here comes the big reveal. Super happy with this one. Is it my favorite? It might be. Here we are.